Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
What's up, y'all? I'm back in NYC and I have a ton of just so much to do. You know that video where commercial we're filming? There's a ton of work to do with that and just everything else. So I'm just so eager to get back into the office so I can just grind and work a nice 12-hour day and just get things done today. We're way too many people.
You're like under a red light right now too.
And we're all gonna cram into this elevator right now.
I missed you. I missed you. I'm not worried about that. Oh no, we're too heavy. Wow.
Oh, we all fit.
Last team lunch, there were like 6 of us and that felt big.
Yeah. I know.
So we're all headed to team lunch because every time we have a new team member, we all go out for a lunch. Our team's getting so big, mashallah, that I don't know how long we can sustain this. But basically when Brittney started, it was Ramadan and we were all fasting. So we said, okay, we'll wait till after Ramadan and we'll go. Salwa wanted to eat Indian food, but Noor is gonna—
Why? Why do they do this?
She's a pansy. Noor is gonna kill Salwa because Noor doesn't eat anything spicy.
They did it on purpose. I know they did.
Which doesn't make any sense for a Palestinian.
What's the food that Noor is least likely to eat?
Oh,
let's go there.
Okay, for the record, Noor, all you eat is bland pieces of cubed chicken.
Oh my God. All they do is eat my food. They want to talk about how much they eat my food.
We all eat your food begrudgingly because it's there. Brittney, did you enjoy your welcome lunch?
Yes, a lot.
What did you eat?
I had 2 servings.
Yes.
Chicken tikka masala and naan. I had plain naan and garlic naan. And I'm like, I am cloud 9.
I enjoyed my food, guys. I did.
Yes, Noor. So what happened?
Okay. I ate chicken tikka masala and it was good. And it was not
You keep calling it chicken tikka.
It's not tiki. It's not chicken tikka. And it's masala.
Alice would know. She lived in India.
Alright, I'm sorry.
WTF?
Another day at Haute Hijab. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here.
What's up, guys? I've been here in the office since like 7 o'clock, but I'm all dressed up because we have CNN coming in today for an interview, which is very exciting. So I'm all decked today. Everyone decided to wear a head wrap today for the interview. Are you guys all trying to be Muslim? Is that why?
I guess so, maybe.
Hold on, look. Also Brittney.
Stress eating.
You're stressing.
We took out sugar. I didn't eat lunch. I know I have like low energy. I need sugar.
We're distracted because of all the setup going on right now. Mel is getting ready.
So Haute Hijab in Cornell, we did a little collaboration where we worked with the service design class that was taught by Professor Denise Green. And the theme was to design a hijab for the world's most powerful women. So her students all hand-painted silk scarves, keeping our company and our customer in mind.
So Cornell is getting ready to film. And Mel is outside finishing up with CNN. So there's a lot of filming today.
Morning is Monday morning. You see this yellow hijab? Our jerseys are dropping this week. Tomorrow, our jerseys are bright, jersey brights. I have a whole suitcase. A whole suitcase with me because I have to shoot in 5 of the 7 summer brights I'm gonna shoot in Central Park, and so I need all of the clothes. Outfit number 2, successfully changed. This is the coral. I don't know what this one is called though yet. So we're gonna go lay in the grass and get a shot like that. So came down here into the food, what is this called? The food hall. plaza to go change. We strategically chose this location because they have a nice bathroom where I can come in and change with every outfit. And then go back out and shoot. And this is the, I think we're calling this watermelon. It's like hot pink. Beautiful. Like a magenta fuchsia vibe. It's my favorite of all the colors for sure. Alright, so this is the final outfit. I'm in the red, classic red for my 4th of July look. Said when I got pooped on. A bird pooped on us straight up.
It was like melted Kit Kat, chunky.
Disgusting. It landed in the palm of my hand.
And it was watery and it was trickling down my arm, and when Mel left to go get napkins, it was drying.
It was drying.
And I felt it.
Yeah, it was really gross. Sedwa had random wet wipes, individual wet wipes that she ganked from somewhere.
I grabbed a purse that I hadn't worn in years, no, months. And I was cleaning it out and there were just a whole bunch of wipes in there. And I was like thinking about taking it out, and I did it.
Yeah.
Like the last second I was like, no.
Because God knew we were gonna get pooped on. It was so disgusting. We need to go find a spot, shoot this last outfit, and be done. We've been out here since 9 a.m. It is like close to 2 now.
Yeah, she can. She can nap as long as she wants.
5:30.
Why are you hitting her? Why are you so mean to her? Haram. البنت عايزة تنام.
You guys, it's 10:30 at night. You can still see my lip liner from when I had red lipstick on earlier.
Look at your fingers.
Thankfully, I'm with Sedwa. She's working on the gift for all the photos we shot today.
I took a nap, so.
Yeah, I didn't.
Why are you smiling?
What are you doing?
Photoshopping your ugly face.
Rude. So this is for the jerseys dropping tomorrow, which by the time you guys see this, they will have already been up. And I hope you snagged yours, because I have a feeling they gonna sell quick. Okay, I need to get back to work.
It's a Friday, which is really exciting. And one thing I really wanted to tell you guys, which is very exciting actually, is we're having this campaign called YHH, where the winner receives a $300 gift card. Very exciting. On top of that, you get early access to one of our new umplas we're working on. Yes, we're releasing umplas next month. You will get early exclusive access to one of them. Basically give you an umpla. And a personal hijab styling session with me. So you get a whole hijab wardrobe refresh with a $300 gift card. That's a ton of hijabs. Plus I can, I'll walk you through what styles look best on you if you're looking for a refresh or just like to confirm what you already know. In order to enter, all you have to do is create a video talking about why you love hot hijab and then what fabric is your favorite and why. Super simple. It's gonna start officially on Monday, and all of the details will be on the blog of how to enter, what the terms are, again, reiterating the prize, how we're gonna pick the winner, all of that. So you're gonna have to basically upload your video to social media using the hashtag YHH, and then also email us your video as well, because we wanna be able to use those videos on our website as testimonials, stuff like that. So it's gonna be really, really exciting. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, all the details will be on the blog on Monday. I hope you guys enter. It's gonna be really, really, really cool to see and just like watch all your entries and videos. I'm really excited. So that's really it for this entire weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the first one, and we'll see you next week.